Hey guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video, I'm going to create a Christmas candle centerpiece. Well, actually, I'm creating this for my fireplace to sit on top of the fireplace. So here are some of the things that I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be using some green branches. And guys, all these things I picked up from either my discounted store, the Dollar Tree, or my thrift store. So I picked these beautiful Christmas bulbs up from my discount store last year, and I got these on sale because I got them at the end of the season. So these are really nice. It's a blush color. I'm going to be using a white plate that I picked up from my thrift store. And I'm also going to be using a scented candle. This is the Forever Candle by Jackie Aina. I burnt this once before and smells so good, guys. This scent is called Caked Up. And it smells like cake a little bit. Also, it smells kind of woodsy. It smells like something for the fall. But anyway, I'm going to adhere the candle to the plate. I'm going to let that set. And then I'm going to start just going through all the pieces that I'm going to be using to create my beautiful centerpiece. And I'm going to be using some picks that I got from my discount store. So I'm just going to remove all the branches and the pine cones. Some of the berries, I'm going to remove those. So I'm going to take all the string and the paper off of the Christmas bulbs. I'm not using all of them today, just some of them. And yes, I'm just going to go through it and take everything apart that I think I might use to create my centerpiece. So my arrangement is going to be really random, guys. I'm not going to have it look symmetrical. I just want it to look like a gathering of items that I'm going to create something nice with. So I'm not going to talk a lot in this video. I'm just going to start using a little bit of hot glue to assemble my centerpiece, and I'll get back to you once I'm done. Okay guys, so I think I am finished. I think I have to stop adding things. It's hard to know when you want to stop. This came out so beautiful. I love the rose gold color. I love all the different types of ornaments that I added. And the candle really does, it all just works really well together. I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I want to wish you all a happy holiday, happy Thanksgiving. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.